Achieving radiant and youthful skin is a goal shared by many. While skincare products play a vital role, incorporating supplements and anti-aging serums into your routine can take your skin to the next level. Let's explore how these powerful allies work together to enhance your skin's health and beauty. The role of supplements. In skincare, supplements are like internal beauty boosters, providing your skin with essential nutrients that may be lacking in your diet. Ingredients like collagen, vitamin C and E, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants promote skin elasticity, hydration, and protection against environmental damage. Including supplements in your daily regimen can address skin concerns from the inside out, leading to a clearer, more vibrant complexion. Collagen, the skin's structural support. Collagen supplements are renowned for their ability to support the skin's structure and firmness. As we age, collagen production naturally declines, leading to wrinkles and sagging skin. Supplementing with collagen can help replenish lost stores, resulting in smoother, plumper skin with improved texture and tone. Vitamins and antioxidants. Shielding your skin. Vitamins like C and E act as powerful antioxidants, neutralizing free radicals that cause premature aging and damage to skin cells. These vitamins also promote collagen production, reduce inflammation, and brighten the skin, creating a more youthful and even complexion. Omega-3. Fatty acids. Nourishment from within. Omega-3 supplements, commonly found in fish oil, provide essential fatty acids that support skin health. They help maintain the skin's moisture barrier, reduce inflammation, and improve overall skin texture, making them an excellent addition to any skincare routine. The magic of anti-aging serums. In addition to supplements, anti-aging serums are targeted treatments that deliver potent ingredients directly to the skin. Ingredients like retinol, hyaluronic acid, peptides, and growth factors can stimulate collagen production, reduce fine lines and wrinkles, and improve skin firmness and elasticity. Combining supplements and serums for optimal results. The synergy between supplements and anti-aging serums is undeniable. While supplements nourish and strengthen the skin from within, serums provide targeted external support, working together to amplify results. Incorporating both into your skincare routine can lead to a more comprehensive approach to anti-aging and healthier, glowing skin. Conclusion: enhancing your skincare regimen with supplements and anti-aging serums is a powerful strategy for achieving radiant, youthful skin. By nourishing your skin from the inside with supplements and providing targeted external support with serums, you can unlock your skin's natural beauty potential. Embrace this holistic approach to skincare and enjoy the glowing results. Discover our range of skin-enhancing supplements and anti-aging serums today.